Let's learn English through EducaToon with teacher Aya.
Hi kids! Do you know what resource material is this? I'll give you a clue. It contains a lot of words and meanings. That's right. It is a dictionary. A dictionary explains the meaning of a word and shows how it is spelled and used. Now, let me tell a short story of how a dictionary began to exist. The Legend of Dictionary, written by Ruel B. Diaz. A long time ago, people have no idea about words and their meanings. Dictionary, a migrant who loved traveling the world, saw a small group of people talking with each other. He wondered what they were talking about. His curiosity started then. He began listening to others' conversations, and day by day, new words were being added on his list. He was very patient searching for new words. He went to the different parts of the world looking for words that can be added on his list. He continued searching for words. One day, he visited Merriam-Webster, the most intelligent man in the world, to ask for help. I have listed words, but how could this be used by the people easily? Asked Dixon. Two great men arrived into the idea of listing words in a way the alphabet is ordered. Dixon never stopped looking for words. He didn't notice that the number of words on his list are becoming more and more. People used to visit his house for one reason. All of them asked the same question. Dixon, what is the meaning of this word? Days went on. Dixon had become known in the world as a man of words. In honor of his great work and passion for words, the book that contains thousands of words and meanings was named after him. It was called Dictionary. For him, words were already part of human lives. You just have to discover their meanings by understanding how they were being used by us. All of us can make a dictionary, but not all would, because patience had pushed me going forward to do my passion, according to Dixon. Did you understand our short story? Let's check your understanding by answering the following questions. Who is the migrant in the legend? What made him curious about the meaning of words? What did he do to the words gotten from the conversation of other people? Whom did he ask for help? How are words arranged in Dixon's list after asking help to Merriam-Webster? Thanks to Dixon, we can now understand the meaning of unfamiliar words through his work. The dictionary. A dictionary has the following parts: guide words, entry words, pronunciation, parts of speech, and definition. Guide words are found at the top of each page in a dictionary. These words help find words easily because it tells you the first and last entry words on a page. Guide words can be placed together like in the example. It can also be placed on the left and right. Guide word on the left is the first entry word in a page, while guide word on the right is the last entry word on a page. Entry words are words in a dictionary arranged in alphabetical order. These are written in bold. Each entry word has the following information. Pronunciation is separated into syllables and tells you how to pronounce the entry word. Parts of speech. This abbreviation tells you what part of speech the defined word is. And definition explains the meaning of the entry word. If there are more than one meaning, the definition is divided by numbers. Also, an example sentence is often used to make the meaning clearer. Now that you know its parts, we can now try if you can use it well. Use the given dictionary, then answer the questions that follow. Number 1. Which of the following words means trouble? A. Admonition, B. Ado, or C. Adobe? Number 2. Which of the words has the same meaning as the word warning? A. Admonition, B. Adobe, or C. Adolescence? And number 3. What part of speech is the word admonitory? A. Adjective, B. Noun, or C. Verb? Great job! You just learned how to use a dictionary. See you next time, kids! Congratulations for completing this lesson.
Do not forget to hit like and subscribe to Teacher Aya EducaToon. Thank you.